And so today's tip for those of you here is to make sure you're using industry day slides as a way to inform you and your colleagues about what's going on in the government. So an example is I put out industry day slides a lot. I just put one out this morning. It's on textile this morning. So if you're in that space, clothing, etc. But I put out a lot of content like this and push it out your way. And so you can find this on my LinkedIn profile. Just hit the bell notification so you see it. But in there, the reason I love industry day slides so much is that you often can find organizational charts, not just high level, hey, here's HHS or something, but down deep into some program office. It'll then break it down further. And then the next thing I really like about it is that often you'll be able to find people's names in there. If you don't get phone numbers and emails, well, that's okay. You can go find them. But at least now you've got lower level program office names, that people that you can reach out to. And then the last thing I like about it is more often than not in an industry day deck, you're going to find opportunities. So you can find an org chart, you find people in program offices, and then you can find opportunities that are coming out where the government's talking about it. Industry days slides are awesome. I know that attending an industry day event makes sense whenever you can get to it, but don't forget that you can just get access to it after the fact. I definitely will share it on my LinkedIn profile, so follow me there. But if you've got a favorite agency, get in and talk to people. If you're talking with a small business specialist, ask them for that industry slide, that industry deck slide.